Ever pondered over how Dogecoin, the meme-inspired cryptocurrency, got its start? Well, it all began in the chilly month of December back in 2013. Two software engineers, Billy Marcus from IBM and Jackson Palmer from Adobe, decided to create a fun, less serious alternative to Bitcoin. They took inspiration from the viral Shiba Inu dog meme known as Doge, and hence Dogecoin was born. Initially, it was brushed aside as a joke, a lighthearted diversion in the rather serious world of cryptocurrency. Many didn't see the potential. They didn't believe that a currency born out of jest could ever hold any real value. But as we all know, appearances can be deceiving. Despite its humorous origins, Dogecoin proved that even a meme could make a serious impact in the world of cryptocurrency. But how did Dogecoin go from meme to mainstream? Well, it's a tale as old as time, or at least as old as the internet. In the wild world of cryptocurrency, Dogecoin started as an underdog but quickly stole the spotlight. A major catalyst was the massive push by Reddit users who championed the coin, causing a dramatic surge in its value. This wasn't just a blip on the radar. It was a seismic shift that put Dogecoin on the map. And then came the Musk effect. Elon Musk, the maverick billionaire, took to Twitter, and his tweet sent Dogecoin soaring to new heights. His endorsement brought a wave of new investors and enthusiasts, further expanding the Dogecoin community. But it wasn't just the Reddit crowd or Musk's tweets that fueled Dogecoin's rise. The coin began to carve its own niche in the market, showing potential beyond the meme. With its growing popularity, Dogecoin started attracting partnerships and developing use cases. Have you ever wondered who Dogecoin is partnering with? Well, you're about to find out. Over the years, Dogecoin has formed significant partnerships that have been instrumental in its rise. These partnerships span across a variety of industries, from tech giants to renowned retail stores, and yes, even some unexpected sectors like charitable organizations. These companies have recognized the potential of Dogecoin, accepting it as a form of payment. This not only gives Dogecoin a practical application, but also helps it gain more credibility in the eyes of skeptics. Think about it. When a major company accepts Dogecoin, it's not just a nod to the coin's legitimacy, but it also shows faith in the cryptocurrency's future. Now, we aren't going to delve into specific names due to our broad audience, but let's just say some of these partners are household names, companies you interact with on a daily basis. And it's not just about the big names. Small and medium enterprises are also jumping on the Dogecoin bandwagon. They see the value in being part of this new financial frontier, and they're not afraid to lead the charge. These partnerships have been crucial in Dogecoin's journey. They've helped to dispel the myth that Dogecoin, and by extension other cryptocurrencies, are nothing more than a passing fad. These partnerships have not only validated Dogecoin, but also opened up various use cases. So who knows, maybe your next purchase will be made with Dogecoin. So what can you actually do with Dogecoin? Well, let's dive right in. Dogecoin's initial purpose was as an online tipping system. You know, a little thank you for internet users who share great content. It's like a virtual pat on the back. But over time, Dogecoin's uses have expanded, and it's become quite the versatile currency. Microtransactions are another area where Dogecoin shines. Because of its low transaction fees and fast confirmation times, Dogecoin is ideal for small, everyday transactions. You can buy a cup of coffee, tip your favorite musician, or even donate to a cause you believe in, and that's not all. Dogecoin is also becoming more widely accepted as a payment method for goods and services. From online retailers to service providers, businesses are beginning to recognize the potential of Dogecoin. With its growing popularity, it's becoming easier to find places that accept Dogecoin as a form of payment. The Dogecoin community is also continuously working on updates and developments to improve the coin's functionality and reach. One of the most recent developments is the implementation of the Doge Ethereum bridge, which allows Dogecoin to be used in Ethereum smart contracts. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for Dogecoin. Dogecoin has proven that it's more than just a meme. It's a cryptocurrency with real-world applications and a growing community. So, what's the future for Dogecoin? As we've seen, it's more than a meme. It's a currency with real partnerships, diverse use cases, and constant updates. Dogecoin is gaining acceptance, broadening its reach every day. Its journey from a humorous start to a serious player in the crypto arena is a testament to its adaptability and potential. The Dogecoin journey has been nothing short of remarkable, from its meme origins to its current status as a major player in the world of cryptocurrencies. Who knows what the future holds for this doggone coin?